Due to the advancement of technology, we are getting a bundle of benefits by using the technological instruments. But unfortunately, sometimes such equipments deform due to many reasons, either knowingly or unknowingly. I also have endured such situations many times, like 1 month ago, when my laptop broke down owing to my silly mistake. Actually, once a night I was just watching some videos related to my study on the laptop. Late midnight, without my consciousness, laptop fell down to the floor. Suddenly, I woke up and found a display of laptop had damaged. I couldn't sleep at that time since I bought it a few days ago. Moreover, I had been thinking it would be much shocking news for my parents. However, fortunately, when I had made a word with my family in the morning, they figured out my condition without creating any issue. Furthermore, my brother took out it for repair, which became the reason of my now's possessiveness. Certainly, the replacement cost of its screen was 10,000 rupees, which not only shocked my brother but also the whole family, even though I had some of my pocket money and I managed. Since then, I have become possessive for my all things, either costly or not. Lastly, that was the time when my important thing broke down and I got repair. Thanks for watching. Subscribe dear without any reluctance.